Will we find what's missing?
Oh. I'm sorry. I thought we were doing something else. I'm so sorry. Okay, all right.
Brayden says, my pets are named after sports players.
That's cool.
Like Charles Barkley.
Oh my gosh, that's really clever. Oh, I can't think of any.
Or Michael B. Jordan, B being like a beta fish, I assume.
Oh, or maybe he has a pet bee.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Michael B. Jordan. Yeah, that'd be great. Or
we're still going.
I'm trying to think of sports. Kevin Hart.
And then you put the bags just kind of off to the side.
Okay.
The back corner is safe for you.
Okay.
Just leave them with the label up.
Is that a good spot?
That's a great spot.
Okay.
All right, we are over. Pardon me. All right, we are all set up for some more Show Some Initiative Challenge.
Woo! And this. I'm sorry, you did so well. Oh, okay, start over. Okay. Man, this is a lot of ice cream.
I know, right? Crazy. Sorry.
We just wished it here.
Who ordered all these ostriches?
Sorry, you go ahead.
Yeah, thank you. Don't interrupt. So, Jamie, do you wish you were different?
What?
The block bucket. Blockbuster bucket. No,
This
sorry.
is Blockbuster ice cream. I would totally rent this. You see, Loopsters, back in the day, you used to be able to rent movies. You would go in and it would just be row after row of movies that you could rent.
Uh-huh. Instead of downloading it on a computer or a streaming Netflix, you would have to go into a physical store and buy it like a box of cereal.
And it really stunk whenever you would get to the movie that you want and it wasn't there. You couldn't rent it. There were no more.
Okay, so there's one more flavor that you have to try. I don't think you're gonna like it.
Bring it on. Woohoo! It can't be that bad, right?
No, Jamie, there's some pretty messed up flavors on that truck. Sorry.
Oh, I mean, yeah, it feels like a hand to me.
Thanks. See you later.
Woo!
High five.
High five.
All right, down low. Down low. Down low.
So you're moving it, aren't you?
Down low, you got it.
You're moving it.
All right, down low. That was
Okay,
me.
now
Ears to you.
Ear attack. Mix it up.
Oh, so
Oh,
sorry.
are we not doing that? Are we not doing the
are,
outro?
We are. There's a little bit of banter.
Oh, let's banter. Okay.
A little bit of banter. Hashtag banter.
Ugh.
Jamie,
Yes?
I just want you to know that
Wait,
you
hold on.
are
Let me put my ears on.
irreplaceable.
Oh, we both went for an ear joke.
Yep. What's yours?
I gotta hand it to you, Ricky. You are an amazing co-host. Ah! Funny, punny, and a compliment.
Bye.
Totally.
Toodaloo.
Let's hear more about that. Meow. It sounded more like a meow. Let's hear more about that. The end. The best part of the movie is the end. I agree only if it's happy. Nice. Okay. All right. I always feel like somebody's watching me.
Oh, that's really great. You know, we actually don't have the rights to that.
Oh,
Can they still see us?